Good morning. You are listening to Kanak Keswani, your news anchor of Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news of 1st June from around the world. Workers hit. Their penance shouldn't be in vain. PM. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on Sunday acknowledged the difficulties that the COVID-19 pandemic had caused and said that the most gravely affected by the crisis are the underprivileged laborers and workers. A day after the central government announced guidelines for the latest phase of the exit from the lockdown, the Prime Minister cautioned once again that becoming careless cannot be an option, and that after so many hardships, the country's deft handling of the situation should not go in vain. UP's Unlock 1.0. Malls to reopen, staggered shifts for offices with 100% staff. Following the footstep of the Union Home Ministry's guidelines, Uttar Pradesh government on Sunday watered down its coronavirus-triggered lockdown with relaxation of malls, restaurants and interstate travel, but continued to bar the entry of people from Delhi into Ghaziabad and Noida. People coming from hotspot or contaminated zones in Delhi will not be allowed to enter Noida and Ghaziabad, a state government order stated. However, the government qualified its order by saying that the final decision would be taken by the two district administrations on the basis of the guidelines issued by the Union Home Ministry and the Ministry of Family Welfare after deliberations with health officials. CM. No new tax to offset economic impact of COVID. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath Sunday said his government does not intend to impose any new tax to deal with the economic impact of the coronavirus crisis. Replying to a question during a virtual press conference, Adityanath said, "We have started our economic activities and it is moving on rapidly. As compared to the previous month, this month's revenue seems good. There is no thought of imposing any separate tax and our focus is to give more relaxation to the public. America need India to stop China. President Donald Trump is extremely angry with China and they are ready to do anything to surround China. As such, they plan to include India, Russia, South Korea and Australia in G7. Trump has deferred the summit of the G7, the world's 7 largest economic powers, until September. However, Britain is not in a complete agreement with this proposal of the US. The UK wants to convert the G7 into the G10, which has no objection to the other countries but wants to keep Russia apart. I, Kanak Keswani, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.